example, of the mobile phone. Some people listening will say, well, the mobile phone is quite a useful thing. There are a number of things that you can actually do and use it as a force for good. And so so the fact that something gets better and it gets more refined, gets more, in terms of the functionality of it, etc. Why is that a problem? I mean, because we try to improve all the time in terms of technology.
No, to improve it's good, but if when we are improving, it's nurtured in you the sense that you always need better. You know that with the last mobile phone, that was okay. You can do what you had to do. But when it's always creating into you the need for the next one, so the next one is going, so this need, this addiction to progress, is the perversion of what progress is all about. In fact, what I understood when we were talking about progress is to make me more independent, not to make me more addict. So this addiction is exactly the opposite of what in our spiritual life. It's the opposite of La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah, the Tawheedi process, the paradigm of Tawheed is there is no God but God, so no other addiction, no other worship. At the end, the consumerist society is transforming everything, playing with something which is natural, attacking the spiritual, and making you not independent with God, but addict with human beings within the process, and so this is why in the traditional cultures there is something which is, yes, we have needs, but what we find, we are satisfied with what we have. And when you are satisfied with what you have, it's the starting process of liberation, of being at peace. You don't need more. But when we are never satisfied, we are always going through this addiction process, at the end you won't be happy, and you end up thinking that happiness is in what you have, while what we are saying, no, the index of happiness is to be happy with who you are, not with what you have.
Now,